Does your bunny keep sneezing? It might be super cute, but it could also be a sign of something more serious. A little sneeze here and there is usually nothing to worry about. But if you notice your rabbit sneezing a lot, along with a runny nose, watery eyes, or noisy breathing, it could be an upper respiratory infection, often called snuffles. This is a common bacterial infection in rabbits, and it's really important to get it checked out by a vet. If it's left untreated, it can lead to more serious problems like pneumonia. So what should you do? First, pay close attention to your rabbit's other symptoms. Are they still eating, drinking, and acting normally? Next, schedule a visit with a rabbit-savvy vet as soon as you can. They can properly diagnose the issue and prescribe the right treatment, which is usually a course of antibiotics. Don't wait. Taking quick action is the best way to help your furry friend feel better fast. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more pet care tips.